Hi, this is Ken Lau. In this video, I show you how to use the trim function as in Excel. So we type the trim, but what does trim do is that if you have any value that it has some space in front, or maybe it has some space at the back, or both, and you want to remove that, and you don't want to do something like that, highlight them, delete, and then here check whether there's the day. Okay, or maybe here you need to see you want to remove it one at a time. That would be very time consuming, but actually you can do it much faster, and that's called trim. Trim function, click on it here and enter and double click, and there you are. Now, like this one has a space, but it's now remove it. So once you've done this, Control Shift down key, copy everything that you have, and then you come over here and you right click and you paste it here. Okay, and you can do the same for the account code as well. Wow, who knows that you will have some space here, and who knows that you have some space here, and how do you remove all this space? Well, you can do the same. Well, equal trim, and click on here and comma, and then you double click, and you see that there are space not there. Then you Control Shift down, copy, Control Home, go back and right click, paste it, and you can do all this at a time. You see, so all this at one go. So that is a ways to really just try it out. Okay, so I think something wrong with my Excel. Okay, yeah, as you can see that it is not functioning here. Okay, so well, another way you can do with this is that, let's say you do have some space here, and you do have space here, and you do want to, and there's a very huge things. I mean, you have 40 over columns. You want to remove the space in front, and there's a more handy way. Well, turn it into Excel table. Control T. Just press Control T and make sure you have a header here. Click OK, and I'll head to Data tab. Under the Get and Transform Data or Powerquery, you can click on this from table array. What you do is just just select one of the column, right click, choose uh, the what is that called, transform, and there is this function where it's a similar to Excel, and you just got it. Just right click on the column, choose transform. You don't even need to type it in the beginning stage. You really just don't need that step. So just right click and you trim it, and the functions that apply is called text dot trim. Okay, so it applies to this step here, to this column, and then text dot trim, and you not just only can do it for one column. At the moment, you just apply to one column, but actually you uh, can trim it. You can do every column. You just apply a different transformation. Now let's just do again. I close the step. Okay, so instead of select one column, I select all column by pressing Shift key, select until the end. Okay, select until the end column. So yeah, and then right click, transform, trim, and there you are. It actually does a trim over here, and the M language is that you have the client code, which is this column. You apply text.trim, and then here you also apply the same thing, text.trim on this column. Just remove that. So for every column, it is now specified easily. Okay, this is just to understand the M language, not yet changing anything. And there you are. Well, once you've done this, you click to home, click close, and click to close and load. It will load into a new Excel table. So here you learn how to use the trim function in Excel and also the way to use trim in Power Query. I hope this is useful to you. God bless you. God bless Asia.